Assalamu alaikum dear doctors. In this video I am sharing epilepsy management according to NICE guideline. First one is generalized tonic-clonic seizure. For generalized tonic-clonic seizure, first line treatment are carbamazepine, lamotrigine, oxcarbazepine, sodium valproate. And adjunctive treatment are clobazam, lamotrigine, levetiracetam, sodium valproate and topiramate. I am again repeating generalized tonic-clonic seizure management. First line management of GTCSR, carbamazepine, lamotrigine, oxcarbazepine, sodium valproate. And adjunctive treatment of GTCSR, clobazam, lamotrigine, levetiracetam, sodium valproate and topiramate. Now, tonic or atonic seizure. For tonic or atonic seizure, first line treatment is sodium valproate. And for tonic and atonic seizure, adjunctive treatment is lamotrigine. I am again repeating tonic or atonic seizure. First line is sodium valproate and second adjunctive is lamotrigine. Now absence seizure. For absence epilepsy, first line treatment is ethosuximide, lamotrigine, then sodium valproate. And adjunctive treatment of absence epilepsy are ethosuximide, lamotrigine and sodium valproate. I am again repeating absence epilepsy management. First line management and adjunctive management. First line management of absence epilepsy are ethosuximide, lamotrigine and sodium valproate. Adjunctive management of absence epilepsy are ethosuximide, lamotrigine and sodium valproate. Remember, for absence epilepsy, first line treatment and adjunctive treatment are same. Then myoclonic epilepsy. Myoclonic epilepsy first line treatment is levetiracetam, sodium valproate and topiramate. And adjunctive treatment of myoclonic epilepsy is levetiracetam, sodium valproate and topiramate. I am again repeating first line treatment of myoclonic epilepsy. These are levetiracetam, sodium valproate and topiramate. And adjunctive treatment of myoclonic epilepsy is levetiracetam, sodium valproate and topiramate. Next one, focal seizure. For focal seizure, first line treatment is carbamazepine, lamotrigine, levetiracetam, oxcarbazepine and sodium valproate. And adjunctive treatment of focal seizure are carbamazepine, clobazam, gabapentin, lamotrigine, levetiracetam, oxcarbazepine, sodium valproate and topiramate. Now I am again repeating focal seizure management according to NICE guideline. Focal epilepsy, first line treatment, carbamazepine, lamotrigine, levetiracetam, oxcarbazepine and sodium valproate. And adjunctive treatment of focal seizure, carbamazepine, clobazam, gabapentin, lamotrigine, levetiracetam, oxcarbazepine, sodium valproate and topiramate. Next one is prolonged or repeated seizures and convulsive status epilepticus in community. Treatment is bacalmidazolam, then rectal diazepam and lorazepam IV. I am again repeating prolonged or repeated seizures and convulsive status epilepticus in community. Treatment are bacalmidazolam, rectal diazepam and lorazepam IV. Next, convulsive status epilepticus in hospital. For first line treatment is lorazepam IV, diazepam IV and midazolam bacal. And adjunctive treatment of convulsive status epilepticus in hospital is phenobarbital IV phenytoin. I am again repeating convulsive status epilepticus in hospitals. First line treatment is lorazepam IV, diazepam IV and midazolam bacal. And adjunctive treatment is phenobarbital IV and phenytoin. Next, refractory convulsive status epilepticus. First line treatment is midazolam IV and thiopental sodium. I am again repeating refractory convulsive status for epilepticus. The treatment is midazolam IV and thiopental sodium. Remember, valproate treatment must not be used in girls and women, including in young girls below the age of puberty. Remember, we will never use valproate in girls or women. When we treat epilepsy in adolescents, additional factors to be considered. These are compliance, career choices, driving, contraception and pregnancy, including pre-pregnancy counseling, alcohol and drugs. Subsequent management of epilepsy is increased dose of anti-epileptic gradually towards full dose or maximum tolerated dose until control good. If control suboptimal with one drug or unacceptable side effects, start second line drug. Outpatient management of epilepsy. Initial follow-up at 3 months. Subsequent follow-up, structured review every 3 to 12 months based on clinical need. This is all about epilepsy management according to NICE guideline. Please do subscribe and share my channel everyone. Thank you.